Free washes? I'm down for that.
That's right. Come take advantage of our all-day free wash special on Friday, February 23rd at A1 Laundromat. With new remodeling, technologically improved washing machines, and lots of available parking, A1 Laundromat is your ideal location for laundry services. Our brand new Dexter Express washing machines can wash up to 9 loads at a time, and thanks to the fast rotation technology of the machines, your clothes will take less time to wash and dry, saving you both time and money. Don't have time to wait? No problem. Simply drop off your dirty laundry and we'll do the work for you. Or take advantage of our pickup and delivery service. We offer low rates for same-day and next-day deliveries. Dry cleaning services are also available. A children's area with fun activities will keep the kids occupied. Meanwhile, you can surf the web with our free Wi-Fi. So don't miss out on our all-day free wash special on Friday, February 23rd. Follow us on Facebook and Yelp so you don't miss out on our exclusive monthly discounts. A1 Laundromat on the corner of Florin and McCurdy. A1 Laundromat.